Assalamu alaikum. Guys, today I will let you know how you can change the style of your car and look it beautiful. You can make some sportive shape, some stylish, even can change color without doing any paint, you know, and change the rims. These all, this stuff you can get auto accessories shop cheap, not very expensive. You don't need to go car agencies to buy these stuff, but in all private shops, auto accessories shops, you will get. And these decoration pieces stay years. Even the stickers, carbon fiber stickers, exhaust, rims. So even interior colors of the car, you want to change the color of car inside, also outside. So today I will show you, and it don't cheap very much because it's not from original from the agency, you know from dealership, but it's from private. Third parties are making car accessories. So let's have a look. So you look, this is 2012 Mercedes CLS 350. The first thing you notice, this is the AMG exhaust, double exhaust, look very gorgeous. This is the carbon fiber sticker. You see the sticker. Roof is also black. This is all stickers. Even the rim, this not from agency, you know it's also from third parties. So I will show you this lovely car. You see, this is Mercedes CLS 350 2012. It look beautiful. There is AMG stickers, beautiful rims, roof, all carbon fiber sticker. It look gorgeous, yeah. It look really nice. And let's have a look now inside. So here is this car. Whatever you can write on the top your name even. Some people like to write monster. So you see this even red color. It's not from agency. Even. See, they make the red and black interior. It look beautiful, two color interior. So this is all custom made. These private shops, interior shops, they can make just few hundred dollars. It's not expensive. This is used like 2-3 years, so now it need to renew. So what they do, if any tear wear, they just change the same one piece and they put the brand new piece here, so it's again new. So see the custom, how he make the, see this stuff, this all custom made. It look nice, huh? It's on the side. Here is logo of your country. So this is the one Mercedes. Now we are going, I will show you the second Mercedes. So this not only for Mercedes, BM or Audi. I mean any car you can make it. Even you have a Honda Civic, you can make it sportive, stylish. Just few $100 if you spend, you can make your car look gorgeous. Okay, let's have a look on second car now. So this is the second Mercedes. This is a CLS 500 and the body kit 63 AMG. It look amazing. About this car, it's not the original color of this car. This color also modified. It's not painted modified, but this is sticker. You see this lovely color? It's matte color. Here is carbon fiber on the mirror. And this is, car color is golden. I show you how it's golden. Let's open the door and see the door side. You see the color? This is the original color of car. and this is the sticker, yeah. And this sticker stay years, not months, but it stay years. Here is also carbon fiber. You see the color of the car inside, this golden color, this is the sticker. Here's the, you can notice. So this will go years of years, the sticker. It will also protect your car original color, you know. So whenever in future you will remove the sticker, so down will be brand new. You see how new is this car? It's original paint, it's new, but the sticker is the light blue sticker. So this is AMG rim, and this Mercedes, this is CLS 500, and its body kit is AMG 63. So here is the spoiler, also carbon fiber, 63 logo is there, beautiful exhaust AMG, this also carbon fiber. This, you get this spoiler of all car, not of Mercedes even. Even Corolla you will get the spoilers, Honda give also, Mercedes, BM, Audi. In BM, you know, M5 kit you can make, and Audi, S-line Audi, yeah. So every car have accessories. So this carbon fiber also, let's have a look inside. You see, this is the, but this leather look original from company, he not modified the previous owner. Mat you can get also, mat, AMG mat, any. So this is the car, guys. So see the Tiptronic gear. So this is Tiptronic gear, it's not, it's also custom made. The original come very small, so how is custom made, like, see this. So this is also custom made, yeah. So he just fix it, can stick again, yeah, yeah. So like this, can shift gear. They fixed with the Gillo, but look really nice. See how big is, it look very decorative. This car just yesterday we buy, and we are preparing this again. Here will be leather cover, new one. So there are all the tier wear, we will fix it. So these are the cars, you know, if you really love your car and you can make it body kit, body stickers, yeah. So these are a few hundred dollars. In UAE, just few hundred dirhams. These auto accessories, changing rims, body sticker, which stay years, 5 year, 3 year, like that. So whenever in future you will remove this full sticker, so down paint will be brand new, you know. So that's also, it will also protect your car paint. But you just take care, some stickers also damage the your car original paint. So you be sure when you putting these outside full body sticker. Anybody don't like his car color, so he can go for stickers. And otherwise you want to change rims, inside, interior, yeah, can make this red interior even. It's in UAE, this cost only 1000 US dollar. Change full leather interior, any color you want. Approximately 1000 US dollar here in UAE. We can change all color of interior. It's not a big deal. Not of seats, but also for the side door, and also from front. They also change this all front leather. So this cost only 1000 US dollar. And rims. Mercedes BM rims are expensive, but Honda, Toyota, you know, these cars, other cars, Japanese car are not very expensive. Yeah. And these auto accessories, stickers, stripes, $100, 100 US dollar. In UAE, you can make full your car stripes. Like you have Mustang GT. So I make, before used to make of Mustang, Camaro and Dodge, I go for the making stripes on the side doors, front bumper, on the roof, on the rear, or all stripes, stickers, you know, Mustang logos, stickers. It's only 100 US dollar. So car get beautiful, amazing, very attractive, a new look, and very excitement when you see your car looking so gorgeous. Yeah, so it's cheap accessories you get just for fun, and that's it. Okay, and have a nice day. Guys, here is BMW 520, which have also body kit. So I shall, why not this also I show to you. You see the front spoiler? This is custom made front spoiler. It look really good. You see how beautiful is the face now of car with this spoiler down. And what else is modified? Not only the front of this BM, but also the rear side. Rear spoiler is also, and see on the side. You see this all long way. This also look really great. It's a hard plastic. It look really nice. So this is the BM 520 2014, and here you see this rear spoiler is there. This also custom made. It look also good. It's just not very expensive, very cheap, very cheap, but it make the car look really good. Yeah, you see the rear and the front, how nice it look.